Hello everyone, I hope you guys did amazing out there. Today I want to take you to Bristol Airport. I want to show you the state of the airport at the moment, because there's a lot of construction going on with lots of car park space. So I just want to show you guys how the airport look like, how much you have to pay if you're dropping somebody off, and also where to park if you're waiting for someone, and also how the roads look like, because Bristol have a lot of CCTV around. You don't want to pull over somewhere and then pick somebody that you might end up getting a fine. Another thing you could do is you can get a Bristol Airport bus from Bristol City Centre to the airport, and also you can get it from the airport straight to Bristol City Centre. I believe it's about £7 or £9. I'm not pretty sure, but I will definitely check that. So I hope you enjoy this amazing video. It's just going to be a straight video. I will talk behind just to show you guys how much to pay if you fetching someone from the drop-off. I hope you enjoy the video. But due to data protection, I won't be able to show you the car, but you can actually park here. This is how the road look like. You know, a lot of people park here waiting for people to fetch people from the airport. Now we're heading to Bristol Airport. It's one of the best airports, around the southwest region. Because you can get a lot of international flights from here. I see people from Wales, people from Midlands, people from all parts of the country come here to travel to different parts of the world, like Spain, Ghana. We're going to Ghana, Togo, Benin, using KLM, transiting via Amsterdam. And you can also get flight from here to Switzerland, Paris. Yeah, almost every place in Europe, I guess. Majority of the places in Europe, especially the holiday destinations, you can definitely get flight from. You can also get chartered flight from here to the Caribbean, like all those cruise ships. So yeah, so I'm going to take you guys through how the airport look like, because there's a lot of construction going on, and also I will show you guys what it look like right now, and how much you have to pay to drop off someone. Alright, so I hope you stay tuned. Please consider liking this video and also share the video. Somebody traveling from Bristol Airport might be wondering, how is it like, how to get to the airport, how the airport look like. And I'm actually just in the lay-by, waiting to move. And also I just want to show you, that's what I'm here, like it's quite a very busy road. You can see here a lot of cars parked here, and I'm just sitting in a car, which I'll be driving shortly to show you guys, yeah, how the airport look like, because I can't stop there. Bristol Airport, here we come. So there's a short stay, there's long stay, and there's also silver car park, where you park your car, then you join a bus. I won't be able to show you the silver car park today, but I'll be able to show you guys the long stay and the short stay. And also there's a pubs down here the road, so if you don't want to pay the ridiculous price charged by Bristol Airport, there's pubs here that you can park, but you have to walk. Like this pub here, you can park your car here, but you have to walk probably about 10 to 20 minutes to get to the airport. So you can imagine if it's raining, you know, you'll be like this pub here. You can see a lot of people park their cars here. You can see. I wish I could leave the camera out for you, but you can. The name of the pub is Airport Tavern. Airport Tavern, that's the name of the pub. All right, I'm almost at the airport now. I'm just going to turn in. All right. So the silver car park, you go straight down there. Here we are in Bristol Airport. So as you can see, I told you there's a short stay, coach park, drop off, hotels. There's a hotel here as well. So if you want to stay here, I think it's I believe I think it's Hilton, I can't remember, but there's a hotel here. If you want to stay here, that's the name, that's the bus. This bus goes straight to City Center. So you can see there's a lot of construction going on still, but let me take my time and show you guys where you need to drive to for the drop-off, because you don't want to stop here. The cameras will get you. The fine is £100, and also Megabus comes straight to the airport as well, but you just have to be very cautious of your time so that you don't miss your flight. So I believe all this place is going to be long stay, and then the ones on my left side is going to be the short stay, because you're closer to the departure. But at the moment I'm driving through the long stay, and I believe you can see the story here. They are going to be a multi-story. I think they're making it a little bit bigger to make it like to take more capacity. I mean, yeah, at the moment even the current multi-story is quite huge, which is in front of me there, which is now long stay. I actually prefer the multi-story because there's a lift there, and there's also disabled access as well, so you don't really have problem when you park at the multi-story. All right, I'm going to the drop-off now. All right, I think you have to pay when you're coming out. They don't accept cash, all-in, card, and Apple Pay, and I believe Google Pay. Yeah. All right, now we are going to the drop-off. I will definitely tell you what's the name of the hotel at the moment. The hotel is Hampton. That's the name of the hotel. Yeah, the hotel name is Hampton. And if you're going to the multi-story, this, you turn here for the multi-story. You can see the car, you can see Bristol cameras. I mean, the camera cars are all driving around to make sure nobody stops, because they will give you a huge fine. They will give you a huge fine. So do not just pay the £7 so that, you know, you save yourself trouble, because it's not only that, the amount of time you use, I mean, to pay. All right, so 10 minutes is £6. 10 minutes is £6. 20 minutes is £8. Well, I'm here now. I'm going to fetch my partner who just landed. Well, guys, I'm going to slow down so that you can actually see how much required. So it's £25 for 60 minutes. So you can see there is. Is that okay? Thank you. And also, if you want to pay, card only accepted. All right, I'm here now. I'm going to pause the camera because I need to focus. I'm here for the drop-offs. Right, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Share the video with multiple people. I really appreciate your time today. Thank you. God bless you. Share the video, like for more content. Guys, this is how the drop-off look like. You know, only card accepted. There's a lot of trolleys down here, so you can see it's quite massive. You can wait here for 6 minutes. So guys, this is how you pay.